My name is Anshika Singh. I read in class 11. My school name is Saraswati Bal Vidya Mandir Inter College Banuya Valsarad Gonda.
आपके इस वाइवा एग्जाम में आपको 100 क्वेश्चन का टारगेट मिला है, जो कि आपने किस किस चैप्टर से लिए हैं?
Reproduction and environment.
In a young anther, a group at company arranged homogeneous cells were observed in the center at each microsporangium. What is the name given to these cells?
Spermopollen tissues.
In angiospermic plant, before formation of microspore, sporogenous tissues undergo cell division. Name the type of cell division.
Meisel division.
What would be the ploidy at cell of tetrad,
Haploid.
which is surrounded by a callose wall?
Wall. Pollen mother cells.
Male gamete in angiosperm are formed by the division of.
Generative cells.
Male gamete in angiospermic are producers.
Toesperm and vegetative cells.
Exine at pollen grain is composed at.
Composed at spermopollen.
The pollen grain is.
Developed male gametophyte.
How many meiotic divisions are necessary to produce 100 pollen grain?
25.
The fun of innermost layer of pollen sac.
Nip.
The anther wall consists of 4 wall layers, where
Epidermis, endothermis, middle layer, tapetum.
tapetum is a part of.
Anther wall.
In a fertilized ovule, N, 2N and 3N condition occur respectively in.
Egg, nucleic, endosperm.
A deciduous flowering plant prevent
Both. Autonomic and deuteronomy.
pollination in water. Hyacinth and water lily is brought about the agency at.
Insect and wind.
Provisional end of the filament of stamen is attached to the.
Thalamus and petals.
Flower are unisexual in.
Cucumber.
Transmission tissue is characteristic feature of.
Solid style.
Even is absence at pollination agent seed setting is assured in.
Commelina.
Anthesis is a phenomena which refer to. Anthesis is a phenomena which refer to.
Opening of flower bud.
Fruit is a ease of parthenogenesis,
Seedless fruit.
which is the most logical sequence which reference to life cycle of angiosperm.
Pollination, fertilization, seed formation, germination.
The outermost and innermost layer of microsporangium in a anther are.
The outermost layer, epidermis, the inner wall होता है tapetum.
Hilk water, green coconut is
Free liquid endosperm.
a plant with both male and female flower.
Unisexual flower, नहीं bisexual flower.
Progesterone pill help in prevention pregnancy by not allowing.
Ovum formation.
The birth control device used by women is.
Copper T, diaphragm, etc.
In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves transfer into the fallopian.
Zygote 8 to cells stage.
Hepatitis B is transmitted through.
Sexual contact, blood transfusion.
The best way to decrease population of a country is.
Family planning.
In which at these can be used in fertility in couples where male partner has very low sperm count.
IUI, intrauterine transmission.
The technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer GIFI is recommended for those female.
Those female cannot produce ovum.
Which method can be used for women that cannot produce ovum but can provide suitable environment?
Gift. Gamete intrafallopian transfer.
Emergency contraceptives are effective is used within.
2 horse cortex.
Cause for increased population growth in India.
Lack of increase of death rate, lack of education.
The common mean of transmission at aid in.
Blood transfusion, sexual contact.
World AIDS Day is on.
1st December.
The test tube body program employ which is the technique.
Zygote intrafallopian transfer.
The Montreal Protocol refer to.
Deplete the ozone layer.
Biosphere reserve differ from national park and wildlife sanctuary because in the farm
People are integral of component of system.
Which part of the world has a high density at organism? Which part of world has high density at organism?
Tropical rainforest.
Beta diversity is diversity.
Between community.
Which one of the flowering pair at geographical area show maximum biodiversity in our country?
In our country, Western Ghat and Oregon में हिमालय.
Is considered a hot spot at biodiversity in India.
Western Ghat.
Organization responsible for maintaining Red Data Book is
IUNC.
Darksha Tiger Reserve.
IUCN.
Darshika Tiger Reserve is located in
Rajasthan.
which animal is the symbol of WWF?
Panda.
First national park at India.
Corbett National Park. Heart is a muscular system and circulatory organ.
How many chambers present in heart?
4 chamber.
Chamber does a frog have?
3 chamber.
What type of food material is digested by Patlin enzyme?
Carbohydrate stretch.
Which component of food are not digested in buccal cavity?
Protein and fats.
What is pollination?
Transfer of pollen anther to the stigma for same flower and same species and different flower and different species is called a pollination. There are 3 type of pollination: self pollination, cross pollination, geotenogamy. सर आज मेरा 50 क्वेश्चन का टारगेट था जो कि मेरा पूरा हुआ. नेक्स्ट जो अपडेट देंगे उस पर हम 100 क्वेश्चन का टारगेट करेंगे और इस क्वेश्चन